Hey, what's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections, and I'm coming at you from a 2014 house. Today, what I want to show you, I've only been on the property for maybe about 10 minutes, but I found a couple of things that I feel like are pretty important. So check this out. Number one, electrical outlet, exterior electrical outlet. So when I plug my tester in, we want to see that it is, when I get it in there, it's hard to do with you on video. Okay. It's wired properly. We got the two orange lights, so that's good. There's a button on here to make the GFCI trip. Problem is, when I hit it, nothing happens. We don't get any trip with the GFCI. This outlet's not GFCI protected. Neither is that one. I haven't checked any of the rest of them on the property, but I would venture to say that probably all of them are not protected. If I was guessing, there's probably one outlet that controls them all, and it's probably been replaced with the wrong style of outlet, a non-GFCI protected outlet. And so now we don't have coverage on the exterior of the property and probably some other areas of the property. But there's something else I want to show you. Check this out. That's my computer. Never mind that. Around this window, you see it's been caulked and sealed all around it. The arch window's nicely caulked and sealed. This window's got caulking all the way around it, and for whatever reason, they just didn't do this one. They forgot to put the caulk on this window. So this window has not been properly sealed to the exterior veneer. So guys, there's just a couple of quick finds on this 2014 property. I'm sure I'll find some more things. Might make some other videos, not sure. But I'm gonna go finish inspecting this property. Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.
Thanks for watching. Call and schedule your home inspection today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.